All right, what else we got here? Let me put it back. I'm going to show you some treadmill. You see, we got about 40 pieces of treadmill here. This is the treadmill. We got about 40 pieces. I will send you the pictures separately. I will upload the pictures separately because I cannot open it. It's very huge. So we got treadmill, and let me show you the selfie stick. Grando selfie stick. Grando selfie stick. It's a branded selfie stick. Let me just unbox one for you. Right guys, I'm standing right here. If you are looking for some specific items that I haven't mentioned, you can let me know, and if I get it from the factory, I will of course let you know. So guys, I'm going to unbox this selfie stick for you. The box is very compact, very good packing, and it's packed in a very beautiful bag. Okay, you open it and you see it's a complete set. Right, it's a mobile holder, vertical, horizontal, and you get other accessories, and you get the stand. It's very heavy. It's made of metal. It's heavy because it upholds your cell phone no matter how heavy it is. Right guys, so it is in the shape of triangle. You can change the shape. Right, it's very heavy. And there you go. You got the selfie stick as well as the mobile stand. You can use it as a selfie stick and you can use it as a stand. So this is your stand. If you want to do live streaming, live chat, video chat, it has a good hold here, good grip. Alright, we got about 1,000 in stock guys. If you are interested about this selfie stick, you can ask me and I will give you the price, okay? Let me unlock it. Right guys. It looks very high quality stuff here. Right, this is the stand. It's very heavy, made of metal. Okay, so all these comes in the back, in the black bag. Okay, you put them all here. Right, close the bag, and that's it. Okay guys, before I finish this live stream, I just want to show you one more thing. It's artificial hair. Artificial hair. It's dark brown color. We got a huge stock for this. It's not real, okay? It's artificial. It's not real human hair. If you are into hair business, you can send me a message for price and I will give you the details and the price. Alright guys, before I end this live stream, I want to tell you the stock is located in Shenzhen, China, and the prices I would be giving you is all X warehouse. That means you have to pay for the local trucking fee to your forwarder's warehouse. As I said, we always help our customers, giving them door-to-door shipping services to any country you want. Either you're from Africa, you're from Europe, you're from Asia, we can send it to your doorstep. But bear in mind, you will be paying the shipping cost. We will just give you free shipping services. Alright guys, see you in my next stream. Goodbye from WLinks Technologies.